Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra held a meeting at the Lieutenant Governor's Secretariat to discuss the establishment of State Disputes Redressal Commission, State Consumer Commission and District Disputes Redressal Commission, District Consumer Commission in the Union Territory of Ladakh and Leh and Kargil districts respectively. Secretary Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Ladakh Yatindra M. Maralkar informed the LG about the necessity to establish the State and District Commission under the Consumer Protection Act 2029. LG directed Secretary Yatindra M. Maralkar to modify certain positions within the commissions to reduce liability. Advisor to LG Dr. Pavan Kotwal, IAS Secretary Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Ladakh Yatindra Maralkar and Member District Consumer Commission Shravan Kumar Nune were present in the meeting. In alignment with the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment and its initiative to organize a mass pledge against drugs, the Department of Social and Tribal Welfare UT Ladakh hosted a mass pledge against drug abuse under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan. The event was themed Viksit Bharat Ka Mantra Bharat Ho Nashe Se Swatantra. The pledge ceremony took place at the UT Secretariat in Leh, where Dr. Pavan Kotwal, advisor to the Lieutenant Governor of UT Ladakh, led the pledge. As the Union Territory of Ladakh gears up to celebrate Independence Day 2024 at the historic Polo Ground in Leh, authorities have released a detailed traffic advisory aimed at ensuring seamless vehicular movement and hassle-free participation for all attendees. The advisory comes as preparations are in full swing for the grand event expected to draw VIPs, dignitaries, guests, invitees, the general public and tourists. According to the advisory, guests and invitees are urged to strictly adhere to designated parking areas as indicated by the traffic police and administration. The Kargil campus of the University of Ladakh organized a pivotal one-day special talk titled NAAC Accreditation Criteria and Process. The event brought together a cadre of expert speakers including Dr. Praveen B. Cholke from PDEA's Anantro Pawar College, Pune and Dr. Popat S. Tambade, IQAS Coordinator and Vice Principal at Professor Ramkrishna More Arts, Commerce and Science College, Pune. Their interactive sessions aimed at addressing preparation for NAAC accreditation. Department of Agriculture Kargil organized a Tiranga run and marathon from Mirkhandag Farm Dras near Batra camp to Potato Farm in Dras. The event was held under the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign to encourage local people to bring and hoist the national flag in celebration of India's Independence Day on August 15, 2024 and to invoke a sense of patriotism among the community. The National Medicinal Plants Board, operating under the Ministry of Ayush, has embarked on significant initiatives to conserve, develop and sustainably manage medicinal plants across the country with a particular focus on the Union Territory of Ladakh. In a recent development, a central sector scheme has been implemented to further these objectives, with Ladakh emerging as a critical region for medicinal plant conservation due to its unique cold desert ecosystem. The Aviation Security Culture Week 2024 at Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport in Leh concluded with a series of events that underscored the commitment of airport authorities and staff to maintaining the highest standards of safety and security. In Ladakh, the nationwide Har Ghar Tiranga campaign was officially launched in Kargil, with Government Model Middle School Bethang hosting the inaugural event. The school came alive with patriotic fervour as students engaged in a series of activities to mark the occasion.